Did you know the African spear plant can survive weeks without water and still thrive in low-light rooms? This striking succulent is one of the toughest and most stylish houseplants you can grow. The African spear plant, or Sansevieria cylindrica, is native to Angola and loved for its bold, upright leaves that look like green spears. It's perfect for modern, minimalist spaces, whether on a desk, a shelf, or as a dramatic floor plant. Caring for this plant is incredibly simple. Place it in bright, indirect light, but don't worry, it will adapt to low-light corners too. Use sandy, well-draining soil, and only water when the soil is completely dry. In summer, that's about every 2 to 3 weeks. In winter, once a month is usually enough. Just remember, too much water is the only real danger. You won't need to prune often, but if a leaf looks damaged or too long, trim it at the base. Those cuttings can even be propagated into new plants. Repot every few years, and if you're in colder climates, bring it indoors before temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. While blooms are rare, mature plants sometimes surprise you with fragrant tubular flowers. But really, the beauty of this plant is in its sculptural foliage. So, if you're looking for a plant that's nearly impossible to kill, stylish enough for any room, and forgiving of a little neglect, the African spear plant is a perfect choice. Discover more about the African spear plant and explore care tips for this and other species in the GrowCycle plant directory on growcycle.com.